Hey, Mr. Stan 913 here. We are in Honesdale, PA, and we came upon MOKA Origins Chocolate. It's a chocolate factory, and it's on all this land in Honesdale, PA. It's there's a lot of land back here open, but you have to come up this hill to the MOKA Origins Chocolate. It's this little chocolate factory. Well, this isn't little. This is just the store. But the chocolate factory's down further, I guess.
No, I think it is here.
It is here?
Yeah,
Okay.
you can take tours on Saturdays only.
Yeah, and there's tours on Saturdays, and today is Monday. So we're gonna go in and take a look at the chocolate store. Come on and join us. This is inside the store. Pretty cool. Here they are.
And they describe it like rudimentary, so it's still a little bit, which is like what you think of it. And that's how they make their actually, Riverdale is supposed to.
See, they're making the chocolate.
And I was like,
These are the grinders.
Riverdale was on the socials until he showed up in MOKA socials, and I was like,
It's actually pouring the chocolate in.
and why is it called a warrior?
It's based on the
So it looks like they're making chocolate here. Tempering? See the chocolate mixing in here. It's all chocolate on the trees on top of your young girl. And they do the wrapping here too. And they're, oh. It's like he's preparing chocolate here. I'm sorry, you were doing,
Grinding chocolate
he was grinding chocolate here
for our drinking chocolate.
for your drinking chocolate. What is all these here?
And those are all, this is all coffee. Our
Just-
12-ounce coffees. And those are 5
Wow.
And then we have our chocolate bars boxed up. And
So where do they make it all? Is the factory down there? Is there?
so factory right here, or this little room right here, that does all of
So
that.
everything is made right here.
Everything is made in this.
Right. And do you grow your own stuff here? No. Okay, you don't grow anything.
It's too cold to grow.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I saw pictures out front, that must be where all the other chocolates from.
Pictures out in front are all our plants in Cameroon.
Okay.
Jeff started everything from scratch.
Does he own the properties there?
Yes.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh,
Or basically, or HI Institute, or Morin Institute Cameroon owns that.
okay.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
We missed the Saturday tour.
It was a brutal Saturday, so
Oh, was it crowded?
I think we lost power.
Oh, wow.
Oh no. Okay. Well, that doesn't make me feel
Well, thank you so much.
Enjoy.
So we learned a lot of here. They make their own chocolate here. They don't grow their cocoa beans here. It's too cold. But this is where they do everything. And we were going to do the tour on Saturday, but they lost power. Good thing we didn't do the tour. It was a pretty brutal weekend. A lot of wind coming through. This is totally, really, really, really cool. And here's where you can buy all their chocolate. Wow. The different coffees over here. different chocolates here. We're gonna pick some up. And then there's people having their morning coffee here. But get some of this. Wow. This looks really good. There's some other coffees and they have shirts here. Back here they're packaging orders, it looks like. And boxing them. These gentlemen are packing everything. This is pretty amazing. And they just let us back here. There are private tours too.
So like the base shakes to like.
Get rid of the air pockets.
Yeah.
I need that for my macaroons.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, like a
Right.
whole.
That was the MOKA Chocolate Origins. And we highly recommend it. They just let us walk around and, you know, without even a tour. They were, you know, they answered some questions, and there was another gentleman telling us how long they've been in existence, like 6 years now. But highly recommend this place. Again, Dorothy found it, and really cool. They don't make their own cocoa beans here because it is way cold. We're up on a mountain in Mount Pocono in Pennsylvania, but they have tours on Saturdays. They have private tours. Again, MOKA Chocolate Origins. So if it's your first time watching, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to see future notifications, hit the bell. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Mr. Stan 913 in Mount Pocono. 14 degrees here right now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.